Now coming to, sorry for the disturbance. Last one continuation. LAQ problem. Find the multiple roots of fourth degree equation. F of x is given 4x power 4 minus 6x cube plus 13x square minus 24x plus 36 equal to 0. You have to find the f dash x. F dash x equal to 0 you can find. This is a cubic equation. You have to find the roots of the cubic equation. Roots of the cubic equation. Roots of the cubic equation means you can go for trial and error. Sum of the quotient not equal to 0. Sum of the quotients 4 minus 18 plus 26 minus 24. Not equal to 0 means x not equal to 1 is a root. Alternate plus minus is a definitely positive root you have. So I will check simple division with respect to 2. 4 minus 18, 26 minus 24. 2 I will check it. 4, 2 4s are 8, minus 10, 2 into minus 10, minus 26, 2 6s are 12. This is a minus 12. Remainder is not equal to 0. So 2 is not a root of f dash x. Now coming to 3, you have to check it. This method is called the trial and error method. 3 4s are 12, minus 18 plus 12, minus 6, 3 6s are minus 18, 8 we get, 3 8s are 24. The remainder 0. That means 3 is a root of f dash x equal to 0. If this 3 is the root of f of x, then 3 is a multiple root of order 2. If 3 is a root of f of x equal to 0, then 3 is a root of, sorry for the difference, 3 is a root of f of x equal to 0, then 3 is the root of f of x equal to 0 and f dash x equal to 0. Then 3 is a multiple root of order 2. Now f of x power 4 minus 6x cube plus 13x square minus 24x plus 36. 3. Simple division I will check. 1 minus 6, 13 minus 24, 36. 0, 1, 3, 1 the 3, minus 3, minus 9, 13 minus 9, 4, 3 4 the 12, minus 12, 4 3 are 36. Remainder you got it 0. That means 3 is a common root of f of x and f dash x. Then 3 is a repeated root of order 2. 2 times it is repeated. So one more time you can do this in with respect to 3. 1, 3, 0, 3 into 0, 0, 4, 3 4 is 12. Remainder you got the 0. Fourth degree equation have the 4 roots. Out of 4 roots, 2 roots are the 3 comma 3. Then remaining is the second degree quotient. This quotient is the second degree quotient. 1 into x square plus 0 into x plus 4 equal to 0. X square equal to minus 4. Then place x equal to plus or minus 2y. X equal to plus or minus 2y. Therefore, roots are 3 comma 3 comma plus or minus 2y. 3 comma 3 comma plus or minus 2y. Okay, you got it? Just to copy the problem. Yes, continuation, second bit. Given equation 3x power 4 plus 16x cube minus 2 plus 24x square minus 16 equal to 0. Find the multiple root. Same procedure. Given equation you can take f of x. Now you have to find f dash x. You have to find f dash x. X power 4 derivative 4x cube. 3 into 4 12x cube. X cube derivative 3x square. 16 3 is 48x square. X square derivative 2x. 2x into 24 48x minus 0 equals 0. From the 12 common, 12x common. Remaining will get x square plus 4x plus 4 equal to 0. Either x equal to 0 or this total can be written as x plus 2 whole square equal to 0. That means x plus 2 equal to 0, x equal to minus 2. 0 is not a root of f of x. Since the constant is there, so 0 is not satisfied. Then you can go for x equal to minus 2. Again I am repeating, x equal to 0, then f of 0 is not equal to 0. Since you have the constant is there, if the given equation contains the constant means 0 is not a root of the given equation. Then other root is what? Minus 2. With respect to minus 2, you have to do the simplification of the given equation. If it remainder 0, then that is a multiple root. If remainder not equal to 0, that is not a multiple root. Remainder 0, that is a multiple root. Remainder not equal to 0, that is not a multiple root. Now f of x. See, x power 4 quotient 3x power 4. Next x cube quotient 16x cube plus 24x square. You can check whenever doing the synthetic division. At the time in the equation all quotients are present. X power 4, x cube, x square, but in the given equation x not there, so 0 into x minus 16 equal to 0. So minus 2 with respect to minus 2 you are doing the synthetic division. 3, 16 I will do there. 3, 16, 24, 0, minus 16. Minus 2, 0, 3, minus 2 into 3, minus 6, 10, minus 24, minus 2 4 is 8, minus 8, 16. Remainder you got the 0. Remainder 0 means 2 is the multiple root. So again you have to do it with respect to minus 2. 0, 3, minus 2 into 3, minus 6, 4, minus 2 into 4, minus 8, again minus 4, 8, 0 you got it. Fourth degree equation of the 4 roots. Out of 4 roots, 2 roots are the minus 2 comma minus 2. You can do this. Now remaining quotients are the quadratic equation quotients. 4x minus 4 equal to 0. 3 4s are 12. 12 factor summation minus 12 factor summation plus 2 means 6 2s are 3x square plus 6x minus 2x minus 4 equal to 0. 3x common, x plus 2 minus 1 minus 2 common, x plus 2. X plus 2 common, 3x minus 2 equal to 0. Then x equal to minus 2. Therefore roots are minus 2 you have 3 times is there. So minus 2 comma, minus 2 comma, minus 2 comma, 2 by 2. So minus 2 is a multiple root of order 3. Minus 2 is a multiple root of order 3. Just to copy the question. Let's come into sixth question. Solve the given equation, it have the multiple roots. Solve the given equation, it have the multiple roots. Given equation have the multiple roots, they are asking to find. So multiple roots means first you can check this is the same procedure. You can follow the same procedure f of x and f dash x. You have to find the roots of f dash x and check that root is the root of the f of x or not. If it is a root means that is repeated by 2 times. If it is root is that is repeated by 2 times. One more method, coming to this problem, sum of the quotients 1 plus 2 minus 3 minus 4 plus 4. 4 plus 3 is 7, 7 minus 7 0. Whenever where it is sum of the quotients equal to 0 means x equal to 1 is the root. With respect to 1 you have to do the synthetic division. With respect to 1 you have to do the synthetic division. Quotients 1, 2, every quotient is present. So directly you can write 1, 2, minus 3, minus 4, 4. Now allot 0, 1. 1 into 1, 1, 3. 1 into 3, 3. We get 0, we get 1 into 0, 0. Minus 4 will get minus 4. Remainder you got it 0. That means 1 is 0. Again you can check it 1 plus 3 minus 4. 1 plus 3 plus 0 minus 4. 4 minus 4 equal to 0. Again x equal to 1 is a. Again x equal to 1 is a root. So again we have to do the 1. So the division. 1 into 1, 1, 4 we get 1 into 4, 4, 0 plus 4, 0, 1 into 4, 4, 0. Again you can check it, 1 plus 4 plus 4 not equal to 0, 1 plus 4 plus 4 not equal to 0, then x not equal to 1. Now 2 roots are 1 comma 1, fourth degree equation of the 4 roots, out of 4 roots 2 roots are 1 1, remaining you can check the second degree quotients, you have these 3, then you can write x square plus 4x plus 4. This can be written as x plus 2 whole square equal to 0. That means x equal to x plus 2 equal to 0, then x equal to minus 2 comma minus 2. Therefore roots are 1 comma 1 comma minus 2 comma minus 2. Now coming to last problem, this is one more procedure. Now coming to in this exercise last problem, then I will complete today class 7th one. LA equals 7th one. Find the repeated root of repeated root of x power 5 minus 3x power 4 minus 5x cube plus 27x square minus 32x plus 12 equal to 0. Find repeated root means multiple root. Now up to now they given 4th degree, 3rd degree. Now they given 5th degree equation. 5th degree equation means you can check same procedure. F of x is a given equation. F dash x you have to find 4th degree. Roots you have to find by using trilateral method. You can find the roots. By using trilateral method, you have to you can find the roots. You can solve it. That is one procedure. One more procedure, this one. Check the sum of the quotients. Sum of quotients. 1 minus 3 minus 5 plus 27 minus 32 plus 12. Now 1 plus 27, 30, 28, 28 plus 12, 40. 40 minus 40, 0. 40 minus 40 is 0. So, x equal to 1 is 0. Using 1, you can do the synthetic division. 5th degree equation, every term present or absent, you can check 5th one, 4th degree, 3rd degree, 2nd degree, 1st degree, constant. Every term is a present. So, directly you can write 1 minus 3 minus 5, 27 minus 32, 2. Now, put the 0, 1 plus 0, 1, 1 into 1, 1, minus 3 plus 1, minus 2, 1 into minus 2, minus 2, minus 5 minus 2, minus 7, 1 into minus 7, minus 7, add both, 27 minus 7, 20, 1 into 20, 20, minus 12, minus 12. Remainder you got the 0. Remainder 0 means again that is 1 is 0. Again you can check the sum of these quotients. 1 minus 2 minus 7 plus 20 minus 12. That is 21 minus 21, 0. 21 minus 21, 0 means again 1 is a root. Again 1 is a root. 1 into 1, 1 minus 1, 1 into minus 1, minus 1, minus 8, 1 into minus 8, minus 8, 12, 12. We got 0. Okay. Now 1 is repeated by 2 times. Remaining you have 3 roots are there. Again you can check the sum of the quotients. Not equal to 0. So x not equal to 1. Here plus minus is a definitely a positive root is there. I will check the next number. With respect to 2, I will do the synthetic division. 1, 2 into 1, 2, minus 1 plus 2. This method is called the trial and error method. This method is called the trial and error method. Minus 1 plus 2 is 1, 2 into 1, 2, minus 6. 2 into minus 6, minus 6, 12. Remainder you got the 0. Remainder 0 means obviously 2 is a root. 2 is a root. Now fifth degree equation of the 5 roots. Out of 5 roots, 3 roots are 1, 1, 2. 1, 1, 2. Remaining is the second degree quotients. I will check again with respect to 2. I will do again. If checking the remainder 0 or not, we will get the 0. I will check. 2 into 1, 2. 1 plus 2, 3. 2 into 3, 6. Remainder got 0. That means 2 is also one more root. 2 is also repeated root. 1 is a repeated root. 2 is also repeated root. Out of fifth degree equation of the 5 roots, out of 5 roots, 1, 1, 2, 2 are 4 roots. Remaining first degree polynomial quotients, x plus 3 equal to 0. It means x equal to minus 3. Every time you got the remainder 0. If remainder not equal to 0 means that is not a root. Again I am repeating, remainder is not 0. Remainder 0 kakapote, that is not a root. Therefore roots are 1, 1, 2, 2, minus 3. This is a multiple root concept. Copy the problem. Today class is over, Nana. I can see tomorrow means Monday I will explain again in the next class. You should follow the class on YouTube. YouTube links పంపిస్తాను. That is yesterday up to yesterday వరకు 4 links పంపించాను. Now 5th, 6th, 7th. Today I will send the 3 links. 5th link, 6th link, 7th link. And some PDF notes I will send. Those everything you have to complete. PDF notes కూడా పంపిస్తాను. ఆ everything notebook complete చేయండి. ఓకే అండి. నెక్స్ట్ కాన్సెప్ట్ ఓన్లీ 1 ఎక్సైజ్ ఉంది. ఆ కాన్సెప్ట్ బేస్ ఆన్ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ కాన్సెప్ట్ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేసి దాని బేస్ ఆన్ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ కంప్లీట్ చేద్దాం. ఓకే అన్న బాయ్ అదర్వైస్ అండ్ practice whatever we are explaining. Those all problems you have to practice. Without practice in the notebook you can't do anything. మీరు ప్రాక్టీస్ చేస్తే మీకు న్యూ ఐడియాస్ వస్తాయి. ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయకుండా ఉండొద్దు. ఎవ్రీవన్ యూ షుడ్ ఫాలో ద యూట్యూబ్ క్లాసెస్ అండ్ జూమ్ క్లాసెస్ బోత్. థ్యాంక్ యూ నాన్న. థ్యాంక్ యూ వెరీ మచ్.